Let us talk about muscle and nerves. This is going to be a nice short PowerPoint because the muscle and nerve tissue types we're going to talk about in more detail in their appropriate systems. So, nervous tissue is going to consist of two cell types, the neurons and the glia. The glia are support cells. We'll talk about this when we talk about the nervous system. Nervous tissue is going to detect stimuli, integrate information, and transmit signal. So it's going to conduct impulses. Here's the thing. Nervous tissue is not great at repairing itself. Even though there is typically going to be vascular tissue around it, it's typically not well vascularized. We'll get into why when we get to that unit. Muscular tissue comes in three types: skeletal, cardiac, and smooth. When you think of muscles, you probably think of the skeletal version. That's what you use when you are working out. When you're lifting weights, you're running, you're swimming, you're doing whatever. However, cardiac and smooth are also just important. We'll talk about cardiac tissue in far more detail in the cardiovascular system because it is only found in the heart. And smooth muscle we'll talk about with the muscular system as well, but it is going to be the middle layer of many organs and vessels. Basically, muscular tissue, regardless of its type, is specialized to contract and exert forces on other tissues. Therefore, its major function is going to be movement. Now, whether that's movement of a bone, therefore moving the body, or movement of what you just ate through your GI system, movement of blood, whatever it may be. Here's an image of skeletal muscle, smooth, and cardiac. This is blown up of that cardiac. These lines right here we'll talk about with cardiovascular. These are called intercalated discs and are one of the unique things about and special things about cardiac tissue.